In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 504 by 9 using the long division method. See that 5 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 50. We know that 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Subtracting, we get 5. Now again this 5 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. And we know that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 504 divided by 9 is equal to 56. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.